Hey, good afternoon, it's Jeremiah, Mobility 316, doing a quick video of our 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan, folks. I'll tell you what, this is a complete unicorn. Now, I know a lot of you don't have 20 minutes to watch our one-of-a-kind detailed video. For those of you in a hurry running your business, whatever it might be, give me 60 seconds. Brand new ADA compliant deep cut ATS conversion. Has a handle on either side. I can operate this entire conversion with two fingers. I pinch, I flip, take this ramp to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this conversion with ease. Got the deep cut with the Q strengths. A lot of our competitors are going to charge you $800 to upgrade to those. You know, if you're starting a business for your facility or non-emergency medical transport, you 100% want the wider rear entries, 34 inches wide. If you get one of those narrow 30-inch wide ramps, you're going to have to reject the bariatric customers, the bigger chairs, which also pay more money. That is not how you grow your business. Some more advantages to the rear entry. They have about 2 or 3 more inches of ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, including snow drifts, if you live in that part of the country during the wintertime. Also, if there were a vehicle parked here and you were in a side entry van, you could not get out of the van because you'd be blocked in. That doesn't happen with the rear entry. The rear entry are about $10,000 more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. Some of the major advantages to the rear entry, but if you're looking for a side entry, but a full size like a ProMaster or a Transit, wheelchair accessible truck or SUV, we have over 80 vehicles in Wichita here ready to go, all with a 6-month nationwide warranty minimum, free shipping, free Carfax reports, never any hidden bogus fees, and the best price in the country guaranteed. If you don't see it at mobility316.com, we're probably either getting it ready or we can help find it for you. So one of the awesome features about this vehicle, the flip base seating, all right? You see the seats are nice and clean. Folks, this is 11,000 miles on this van. I signed a government contract to buy a bunch of these vehicles. These government vehicles, they are like almost brand new condition. You're not gonna find better, well-maintained vehicles in the entire country. So when these are down, they look just like so. All right, can move those seats up real quick, super simple to do. Flip them up out of the way, get 2 wheelchairs in here at a time. Headliner looks great. Rear air controls. If you ever wanna put one of these seats down, just pull the T-handle forward while pushing the seat down, super simple to do. You can go from 4 seats to 2 in about 45 seconds. Dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. I mean, this van is darn near brand new condition. Got your backup camera, you can sync up with your phone right there. Dual climate control, rear air, got your cup holders. Excellent condition. This thing is an absolute unicorn. And when you get everybody secure, come on back out. A lot of our competitors are going to tell you they have a better built conversion than we do, and that's fine. That's what they get paid to say, like the cats over there at Braun. I want you to ask them what their warranty is. You know, they're going to tell you 3 years, 36,000 miles. Well, ours is 3 years, unlimited miles, nationwide warranty. Pretty easy to see who has the better built conversion, isn't it? And also want to warn you, the big box stores, they're going to say things like, oh, hey, you better buy from us here at Mobility Works so we can service this conversion for you at any of our 100 nationwide locations. First of all, folks, these manual conversions are darn near bulletproof. Very little to go wrong. A little shock under there we had to buy the other day, 90 bucks for one that had like 300,000 miles on it. So little to go wrong with these. Any mechanic can work on these. They're just trying to trick you into overspending on their super high prices. Don't fall for it. 4 brand new tires on this van, brand spanking new. Do my quick walk around here. Looking for any little nicks, dents, scratches in the paint. I'm not gonna say this van's perfect. It does definitely show me small signs of normal wear. But gosh dang, this is such a clean vehicle. And you hear me talk all the time, how we can save you $10,000 on your wheelchair accessible vehicles. How we do it is simple, it's low overhead. I started this company 14 years ago and I had one goal in mind. I wanted to produce the highest quality wheelchair vans in the country at the absolute lowest cost. I said, how am I gonna do that? I'm not gonna copy Superior, United Access, Mobility Works. There's cats with dozens to hundreds of locations. Literally have millions of dollars more in overhead every single month that I don't have. That's why they have to charge so much for their vans. So I said, what I'm gonna do, 5 simple steps to crush their prices, but I still wanna be able to service the entire country. So I said, number 1, I'm gonna start a dealership right in the middle of the country. The Midwest, low cost of living means low prices. Number 2, like right here in Wichita, Kansas. Number 2, being right in the middle of the country, I can offer free shipping in the lower 48 states to service the entire country. Shipping comes on my dime. Number 3, I'm gonna do super detailed videos like you're watching right now to fully educate you about the condition of the vehicle, how the conversion works, top, bottom, front to back, test drive, Carfax included. Most transparency in the entire country. Number 4, I'm going to make sure every single one of our vehicles comes with a minimum 6-month, 6,000-mile nationwide warranty to protect your investment long term. We'll get back to that warranty here in just a little bit. And then finally, number 5, I'm not going to employ a sales staff. Sales staff means more overhead, means higher prices. What I'm going to do, They do super detailed videos like you're watching, do 50 pictures, and let our reputation do all the selling. Again, keeping overhead low and prices even lower. No matter who you buy from, get your video. I can't stress this enough. My name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Mobility 316. I have this van right here in my possession. Get this video and protect yourself. Do not settle for anything less, or you will, good chance you will get scammed. All right, what we do with that VIN number, run a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before we purchase it. I highly recommend you do the same. Not only that, I'm the only dealer in the entire country goes over the Carfax with you, shows you why I believe in this vehicle, why I chose to spend my own money on this vehicle, why you can believe in it as well. This is pretty simple. It's got the one owner here. Now, on these former government vehicles, they don't put the number of owners. It's a long story. They come on an SF97 title. So technically there's really been no owners, but been one owner on this vehicle. If it has one line there, it means one owner. If there's two lines here, it'd be 2, 3, so on and so forth. The government doesn't buy used vehicles. This is a one owner. You can see this entire Carfax on our website at no charge to you. No salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. No total loss, and no accidents. So one owner, clean title, no accidents or damage. A+ Carfax report. Never been structural damage. Airbags have never deployed. Odometer is accurate. And I always look for that kind of stuff when I'm looking at these vehicles as well. And also, no matter who you buy from, get online, see what people are saying about them. Find us on eBay. 1,912 transactions. Every single one of those transactions has left us positive feedback, 100%. I think that reputation speaks for itself. But if you're like me, when I go out and eat a $10 cheeseburger, I look up reviews. I want the best bang for my buck. I work hard. I'm like you. I want to spend my money wisely. If we're going to check out reviews for a $10 cheeseburger, probably a pretty good idea if you're going to buy a $40,000, $50,000 mobility vehicle. Get online, check reviews and ratings. And I hear the horror stories all the time. These buyers, they end up buying vehicles from Facebook Marketplace or one of these private sellers, the two most dangerous places in the world to buy a vehicle. Number one, you don't know if that vehicle has a jumped title. If you don't know what a jumped title is, you better figure it out real quick if you're going to buy from one of them. Number two, you don't get to look at thousands of reviews online to know this person's honest and fair and transparent. Number three, and most importantly, you have no protection from the state. If you buy from me, a licensed dealer in the state of Kansas, I scam you out of money. I don't provide the van. I don't provide the title. The state of Kansas can come put me in handcuffs. You call the Department of Revenue, dealer licensing. They oversee all of us dealers. They make sure that you get your fair shake. They make sure we're not scamming people. If I violate that, they can find me and they can put me in jail. You have these same issues with a private seller or someone off Facebook Marketplace. On top of the thousands of dollars you've already been scammed out of, guess what you get to do now? You get to go hire a lawyer at $300 or $400 an hour, pay them that kind of money to chase this person around the country, around the world, try and get some of your money back. Yeah, good luck with that. I can already tell you how that's going to work out for you. So, whether it's one of these low-end dealers with 1 and 2 and 3 star reviews, maybe even low 4 stars, dealers that don't know the law or don't care about the law, or it's one of these private sellers or Facebook Marketplace. I hear these stories all the time. These buyers buying vehicles have a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage they weren't notified of, paying thousands of dollars. The vehicle never shows up and the seller disappears off the face of the earth. Bad frame, bad engine, bad transmission, so much rust, the vehicle's not safe to drive. So bottom line is, if you want to roll the dice on a big purchase like this, boy, good luck. If you want 5-star vans with a 5-star service from the mobility dealer that has the most 5-star Google reviews of any single mobility dealership in the entire country, with free shipping, free Carfax reports, minimum 6-month nationwide warranty on every single van, never any hidden bogus fees, and a best price guarantee, reach out to us. We're happy to help. All right, back to the van. It has the keyless entry. We got 1 key fob. If you want us to get additional key fobs made on your dime affordably, we can definitely do so. A nice black cloth interior. That's what I love about these government vehicles that do not allow smoking in them. So no signs of smoke or unusual odors. 11,473 miles. We even topped off the gas tank for you. All the dummy lights work. They all go out. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag lights, no ABS, none of that going on here. Got your backup camera there as well. Works great. And I've got 4 mechanics that work for me. Radio works just fine, by the way. I've got 4 mechanics that work for me full time. We check all the power mirrors and windows. Go through a 120-point inspection before they hit my lot. We check the power locks, heat, air, belts, hoses, cruise, suspension, steering, brakes. Take these on a road test. Obviously, we check the tires. Put 4 brand new tires on this bad boy. Get your back window vents there. We're very thorough in everything we do, and there's many reasons we do that. 2 of the main reasons are when this vehicle shows up to your place without free shipping, I want you to say, that's exactly the vehicle that Jeremiah represented in the pictures and videos. Number 2, I'm applying for a job right now, and I take that very serious. I'm applying to be your mobility dealer. I want you to get out there and look at all these ads. 4 or 5 lazy pictures, too cheap to do a Carfax, too lazy to get out here and do a video. Yeah, I want you to look at your bank account, your hard-earned money. I want you to decide who you want to invest your money with, who's being transparent, who's being thorough. This is a very big purchase. You know, fluids have been checked and topped off there. Engine purrs like a kitten, like darn near brand new. Beautiful. Underneath the vehicle, very much the same. Super clean, no signs of any crumpled up metal from an accident, no signs of any oil or fluid leaks, no signs of any water damage from being in a flood. By the way, each one of our vehicles goes up on a lift, fully inspected. You know how few car dealerships actually have a lift to put vehicles up on? Because lifts are very expensive. We invest in our vehicles, we invest in our people, we invest in our customers. So, you know, and back to the vehicle, you know, one of the most dangerous things you can do is assume things. A lot of people assume because it's nice in pictures, because it's low miles, they assume it runs and drives good, they assume it's mechanically sound, they assume it's never been in a bad accident or flood. Folks, that's the most dangerous thing you can do. I frequently see brand new vehicles at auction that have flood damage. You know what happens? These dealers take on a flood, they're gonna rush these vehicles over to auction, they're gonna dump them off to make them someone else's problem, all before that flood hits the Carfax. My point in telling you this, that kind of stuff can happen with brand new vehicles. You better know what you're getting if you're purchasing a used vehicle. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. I don't care if it's a private seller, I don't care if it's another dealer, I don't care if it's Facebook Marketplace. I want you to ask yourself, do they show you thousands of reviews online so you know you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show you a free Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents, never been in a flood? They get on their hands and knees and even bother taking a couple pictures, much less super detailed videos of the undercarriage, so you can see no signs of crumpled up metal from an accident, no signs of any oil or fluid leaks, no signs of any water damage from being in a flood. Do they throw in a complimentary 6-month nationwide warranty? Back to that warranty, 100% engine, transmission, water pump, alternator, starter, radiator, all the way down to the car battery. Not quite a bumper to bumper, but very close to it. There's any shop you want to take it to. Dodge, take this to your local mechanic. Mighty Minus, who's the other one? Pet Boys out there. Anywhere you want to, Walmart, you want to take it there. No deductible, and we have affordable long-term warranties as well. Talk to us about how we can affordably help protect your investment long-term. And as far as the back to the roof, you know, often I get to the auction and I check out these vans, the roof is just crushed with damage. No thank you. But you know what? Most sellers don't fix the roof because most buyers don't get up there and look at the roof. You know who does? Jeremiah with Mobility 316, and you better do the same. That roof can get $10,000 or $15,000 to replace real quick. So when it comes to price, reputation, how thorough they are, showing you how and full transparency and a complimentary nationwide warranty, please put our resume up next to anybody in the country, and of course with the best prices in the country. You tell me what happens if you end up buying a van you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual. What happens if the van won't pass inspection in your state because it's got issues with the VIN number on the van or the title? Bottom line is, if you can't get them to pass inspection, you cannot drive them. You spend a whole lot of money on a vehicle you can't even drive. So to avoid these issues and so many more, do 4 things before you buy from anybody. First of all, demand 3 things. Do 3 things. I demand a detailed video like this, and I'm not talking a lazy 30-second walk around. This is a major purchase. You're not buying a brand new blender off Amazon, folks. This is a big deal. Demand a detailed video, and if they won't get off their backside, make you a detailed video like this, well, what exactly are they hiding from you? I promise you don't want to find out. Number 2, demand a Carfax report. Show me the Carfax. Yes, Carfax are the most expensive VIN inspection there is, but they are the most thorough. Make your seller pay for the Carfax. You're telling me someone's going to ask you to spend 40 or 50 grand on a vehicle, but they won't spend $45 on a Carfax? Folks, if they won't spend 45 bucks on a Carfax, if the vehicle needed hundreds of dollars in new tires, do you think they put them on there? Of course not. They're too dang cheap to even spend 45 bucks on a Carfax. Demand a Carfax. Do not settle for a cheap knockoff. Finally, demand a warranty. Are you really spending this kind of money as is some lame 30-day powertrain warranty? That's how you get scammed. That's how you buy a lemon. Again, we have that 6-month, 6,000-mile nationwide warranty. Go to the shop of your choice. Do not risk buying as is. Do not risk a lame warranty. Demand a quality, longer-term warranty. All right, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know, whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, we come drive this Caravan home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure that it's roadworthy. You'll see the steering wheel's nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Tell you what, this van runs and drives darn near like a brand new van. I'm super impressed with it. I know you would be as well. Popped up to about 65 miles an hour there. If traffic permits, I'll zip it up to 70 real quick. Got the cruise control set, cruise works good. And do keep in mind, if you'd ever like to come visit us, we do welcome that. But we do require an appointment 100% of the time, 365 days a year. Remember, we do not employ a sales staff here. A sales staff needs more overhead. So to help keep overhead low and prices even lower, I need you to take 30 to 60 seconds out of your life. Call us, text us, let us know which vehicle or vehicles you'd like to look at. We'll be organized, prepared, and sit you down for a consultation with a mobility professional, not a used car salesman. Speaking of used car salesmen, also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. So many of these dealers, they put a real nice price online, with that hidden in the fine print, a $500 administrative fee, then a document fee, then a tag fee, freight, you name it, they made up a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping, free Carfax reports, free upgraded tie downs, and a 6-month complimentary nationwide warranty. So by the time you add up the cost of all their bogus fees, tie down, shipping, Carfax, so on and so forth, that real nice price you saw online has literally jumped $10,000 over sticker price. There's a name in the business for this. It's called making money on the back end. What these dealers do, they put a real nice price online to try and get you to call or talk to one of their used car salesmen, or maybe stop in to talk to one of their used car salesmen. These used car salesman things do used car salesman things, and you end up buying a vehicle for $10,000 over sticker. It's real. It's a real thing. Do not fall for this. Demand full transparency. That's exactly why we're out here making these videos, to be fully transparent. Nice hard brake coming down the ramp. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. Exactly what we're looking for. So, you know, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, what else are they not being transparent about? Again, way too big of a purchase to find out. So if you'd like to give us a call or text is by far the fastest way to get in touch with us. That way, anyone on our staff can see that text come through, respond to you as soon as possible. Call or text 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name's Jeremiah. I'm the owner. That's a direct line to reach out to call or text me. I challenge you. I want you to ask our competitors if they are dedicated enough to customer service to get you a direct line to call or text the owner of the company. Or do you have to call in and end up in somebody's voicemail, never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person, that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who now has your phone number, gonna call you, text you, blow you up 10 times a day, try and pressure you into making a sale so they can get that commission check. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number of all these companies out there with horrible customer service, and want to avoid that used car salesman like the plague, give us that call or text. We'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, we're gonna sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. And yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We're more than happy to take an application over the phone. And yes, we do take trade-ins even from across the country, whether standard or a mobility vehicle. Get in touch with us. I can explain how that works. And just a reminder, if you ever want to visit us, you must make that appointment. There's absolutely zero exceptions to that rule. And if you made it to the end of our video, thank you for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I know this is a major purchase. I'm trying to be as thorough as I possibly can. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with one-of-a-kind detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, never any hidden bogus dealer's fees, dozens of pictures of every single vehicle, all accompanied by a minimum 6-month, 6,000-mile nationwide warranty to protect your investment, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking us out at Mobility 316, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call or text today. We really appreciate you checking us out and giving us a chance to earn your business. And I hope you have yourself a wonderful day.